Welcome to another day at the TimeBender Creative Bootcamp, where we're going to build, code, create. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. Why do you want to hold it like this? Okay. Yep.
What's happening?
Today is the day to camera.
Why?
Today is the day of punishment.
Yes, they should see it.
Yes.
The world should see it.
So,
They've been punished. Yeah?
yeah, so this is how we are going to end. Now look up here. So this is what we are building and we are almost close. So what we need to do now since you guys don't let it not really engagement, so I'll just start the concept for you. This is the body, right? Hello. When I'm talking, you guys will answer me. Some of you might, so if you answer good question, you might have to sit down while others are standing, right? But if you don't answer good question, you don't cooperate, you will stay till 2 o'clock. So this is it. Are you seeing what I'm showing you? So this is the body, right? Mm-hmm. Can you see? Hey, you need to cooperate with me, or except you want to stand it 2 o'clock. Okay, so
if I stand, I'll get back posture from putting the laptop on the table.
You get back, no, you don't get back posture. If
like
you want, if you needed a big posture, you have done an assignment, right?
Okay, you didn't do your assignment.
None of them. They don't even attempt. Nothing.
Why not?
I did research.
Why?
Nothing. Like, why will you
Jada,
do that?
even you? See me.
She even forgot. She told me to forget.
Barry. Why not? Alex.
Okay, so yeah, we'll see how we can accomplish this. So let's go ahead. So I need your total cooperation so we can achieve this within the shortest time. Now this is where what we learned last week. We learned about the body, how to put colors, and we also learned about images. We also learned about how to use CSS selectors like this to select everything in the CSS, right? This is to add, we created different classes for the background colors. Then we also created different classes for the text colors, right? Mm-hmm. Are we together? So now, we created this section. This section holds everything here. As you can see, I've collapsed it. Everything here is held by this section. Then we also have the H1, which is the head. We have the picture, which is the avatar. We have the H2, we have the ID, which is the text color, right? ID is a what? CSS selector. Are we together? Are we together? So we also have the anchor links. Now, over here.
Good morning.
Over here we have the green colors like the background, right? And we also have the text colors. So now we are going to see how to implement background color for this section. So since we have just one section, we can have multiple sections, right? We can have multiple sections, right? See me. We can have multiple sections, right? You're not answering me. When I'm talking, you guys should respond. So I know that you guys are following. And also code alongside so that you can get what you're saying. Are we together? So now look at it. These are section here. Are you seeing? These are section. Can you see? These are section here. We would have to give it a color. Let me explain the concept here. This is the section. Are you seeing it? It's holding everything here. Are we together? It's holding everything here. So, and this is the body that's holding the section, right? So we want to give the body, the section, a color. Are we together? Jad, are you with me? So we want to give the section a color. So I'm going to ask you questions. So if I ask you a question and you get it right, you're going to sit down. Are we good? So because the questions are coming from what we learned last week. Now this section now, how would I be able to put color on this section?
You put class and you
Okay. So I want you to do that. Then show.
Can I sit down? Can I sit down?
Do it and show me. When you do it, I'll ask you meant what you say. So now I want you to put color there. If you can put color there, then you can sit down. I want to put color in this background. Anybody that does that, just come and attention, let me see it. We want to put color in this section, moving everything
To me, do it now.
here. Right?
Look.
Anybody that does it, just come and attention and I'll check it. Yeah. Let me see. Correct. Sit down. So, anybody that does it, just come and attention to it and look at it. And then you
Keep doing it.
Good morning. So, have you done it? Jada, I say you should put color in this background. This is the section. So, I want us to give it the color, the exact color. He has done it. So,
Like, is it the color of the back or like just
the background. Yeah. Barry, have you done it? Go ahead. So do that and you're going to see
the
that.
CSS
Yeah. This is section, right? I said this is the body, right? The body is holding the section. The section is the container that we need to have. So I said, okay, we want to add background color to just this section. So I want to add background color to this section. That's what I want to do. Go ahead and do that.
Do you like it working like this? You're serving some punishments.
It's not difficult. It's based on last week and what we learned last week. So you need to take your brother time to achieve that.
You, why you?
He asked me. Okay. You get the next one. All the background colors are already there. You don't even need to define anything. Did you define anything? Everything is already there. It's a plug and play. I just explained it here. It's just a simple plug and play. Everything is already here for you. So,
is it done now? So is it done now?
you will know when you do it now. If you're asking me if you're done now. No. You've not done anything.
It's not like this background.
No, the section. Look at the code. Okay, that's fine. Let me show you. Now look at it. If you want to add color to the section, look at the background. What did we do? We created a class, right?
Are you not supposed to be looking at it?
I see. We created a class and then we added the background grid, which is the color that's supposed to be there. Look at it.
700.
Background grid 900, right?
Is
Look
it
at
700?
Now I'm talking about what we did last week for the body. We added this background grid. This is the class, right? Class selector. So we already created all the colors for the background and the text. So we don't need to stress ourselves about that again. All you just have to do is to plug and play. So now we have the background grid. So we added this background grid to this. So we needed all the text to be white. We needed all the text to be white. So
Yes,
we
SS.
came here.
We're learning SS.
We came here and then we added this class text white. So look, where is text white? So look at all the text, right? Why is all the text white? Simply because this guy, the body is the parent of everything here. So everything under the body is going to have that text color. Are we good? Dad, are you with me? Good. So now we just have to repeat the same thing for the section. Are we together? Are we together? So for the section now, I said, now I want you to add background color for the section. So let's look for the background color. The background color for the section. I think it should be 700, right? So we just come here. We say class, right? And then we say BG grade, right? 700. And that's it. So the moment you do that, you will see that it has a background color. Right? So now we want to we are going to do that. So the next thing we are going to do is to I want you guys to I'm coming, let's check our design.
Well,
Now,
they should do what you just taught them.
okay, have you guys done it? Yeah, so this see your code is showing red. I don't know why. You guys don't know. Why is your code showing red? You're not doing the right thing. Close it. This is not closing. Remove this as in change this
So are
code.
we going to follow?
Close it, use the other curly braces.
What are you doing?
I think I've seen doing like the style you're doing. What's my
So that's correct. What was breaking it again? Why did you put gray? Why are you putting gray? What was all this? Timmy, I corrected you for all this thing last time. You still did it again. You're not taking correction. I remove all these things. Remove them. Remove them. Remove all these guys. Why are you using this? You're not just you're supposed to put only these colors. Why did you do my crucify? You're doing something else. Something I told you last week. Stop that. When you go home.
I already submitted it, but no.
So when you go home now, maybe you have enough time when you get home. So I want you guys to color the text now. That's the next task. Color the text to this grade. This is not good.
But it's still me up to that.
I've already done that.
Yeah.
Which part?
So I already did that.
Correct this. Add this text color. We've already created the class, so
I've already done that.
I've seen it.
What kind of green is it?
The only
Check your colors now. You see them.
Just
So
like your example.
create. Add this color there.
There's a green class. Make it the green class.
See, add the
Whatever
background.
it is, green class.
Green.
I say only this guy behaves to this one. Only this one. This one should be remain the middle. Yo, this is showing red. Remove these guys. Seems like last week we did not finish the work before we background is not correct. Background is not correct. These were the errors you had last week. Like not correct it before going. I don't understand you at all. You did this last week, right? Congratulations to you. Now, what's your issue? Here's your section.
I've made the class.
Add a class.
So can I?
Add a class here. Yeah, space. Add a class here. Class.
Mr. Easy.
Yeah.
I've made it green. So can I sit down?
Then equal sign. Put your quotation mark, quotation, double quote. Inside the double quote now, you now write, you now select this BG 700, right? BG 700. Then I'm going to.
Can we again? So can I sit down?
Okay, you can see that. Have you done that? Are you having what to do? Let me go to the class. No dash now. I don't see. Write it the way you wrote, just like this one. $700. Go down, let's see the preview. I see it. So you can see that.
Yeah, Timmy, do your own so that you can sit down.
Go to your code. I said correct this. Are you sure your mind is in this class? Correct this guy now. I pointed this since last week. They are not correct. Look at it. Is it the spelling of background?
You didn't put G now. That's not the spelling of the background. See your background. You didn't put G. Yeah, that was the spelling. See, you spelled.
Why are you also doing this? Remove these guys. I told you guys to remove it last week. Everything I corrected you last week, you didn't do it. I said you guys should remove this. You can't see it in any of their codes. So why you don't go post the admins? That was when I was teaching you guys Ghana CSS.
Correct this G. Call him.
Color guy. This one to know. Color this color. This color. If you come to your sources, if you see, go to your sources, go down, go to the text color side. I see the color green. This is the text green. So color it that text green. So have you done it?
Yes, I do.
What did you do? Remove this star here. Remove this one to remove it. Good. So now I want to add background to this section. So add a class. Add a class now, it's an attribute. Just hit enter. So add the background 700. No, not there. Not so. Look at now, we already created the class here. BG grade 700. Team, your mind is not here. I don't know why. You're not present. Add BG grade 700. Go ahead, add it. Sorry. Add it inside this.
You told me not there the first time I was adding it.
That's what I'm telling you, your mind is not here. Put it here. Put your cursor here. Put your cursor inside here. Go and check your work. This color is the wrong color. Go back to your color. Okay. Maybe that's the color. Add background to the body. Tim, is that how I showed it to add background? Is that how I showed it to add background? Is that how you added background to the class? To the section?
When you school you people one small thing, people's face go just change. Everybody's face has changed.
That's why I showed you to add background. You have to get it right. People will keep standing. I just added the back. Wait, listen. I added told you to add the background now in the section and it worked. And I say add the background to the body. Then you started doing a different thing.
You don't want to add it inside.
Uh-huh.
That's what I was doing at first, and you told me I should know that that's the wrong thing.
Do the wrong thing. Do the wrong thing. Let me see. That's your name. You don't correct me. Is that to add background? That's also not how to add background. Even that, is that look at what I showed you now. I just showed you this one and it works. And I said, okay, now add background to the body. Why are you doing this?
What am I supposed to do?
Stand up. Maybe I'm not, I can't really explain to you. Stand up. Come. Show you how to add background to the class. Don't do it, just show me.
Are you seeing how you're doing this here now? How you did this section class then? So here's your background. So just do that, but it's 900 here. Just here, do this here.
Plus section.
No, not
That's the
section.
class.
Just the class equals BG grade, and then make this 900. But I've chased my viewers. They'll say today people are just one kind. My viewers are
Check
gone.
if it work. Are you seeing it? So, go and see that. So, are you seeing that still you need to really put your mind in the class?
You told me background. You
Go and sit down.
BG is short for background.
told me background for that. Okay.
When they say when they are teaching, you guys will be doing something else. If you pay attention to what they are teaching you, you get it.
I sat down, I just said this, I made this statement, I said, add background to your section.
That's why Mr. Chima always used to say, don't type till I finish talking. You're always saying that.
Add background to your section. Just a simple instruction.
And you didn't do your assignments.
You were not getting it. I have to come and help you. And I showed you an example that, okay, this is how you add background to your section. And that's okay, since we have done this one now. Now do add background to this particular one. You started typing background. Why will you be typing background?
Because you didn't background.
Because I said background. So I should tell you to add BG. I tell you to add BG to grade 700. I was like, if I tell you to add BG grade 700, you see type BG grade 700 instead of to do the right thing. I tell you, put your mind here, be present. You're just doing. They are teaching, your mind is not here. If your mind is here, you will understand everything I'm saying. Even if that is even getting what I'm saying. Your mind is not here. That is the same thing I explained to you that okay, I have background. You are not getting that. I have to come to tell you. This is how you
Tell
change.
my viewers now. You don't want school.
You understand? So you need to be present. When you're in class, be present. Body, soul, and spirit.
Why is this one in a different language? I don't know. That's where the person is from.
You guys are on TikTok. Please don't put me on
Not
TikTok.
TikTok.
YouTube. Hey, please do not put me on YouTube. I'm scared.
You should see the
I'm
teacher.
scared, please. This my children, this my students, they are not making me happy.
They did not do the assignment.
So this giving them trouble.
Well, why now?
So
They forgot. Mom, your mom didn't remind you.
So now we want to add colors to the London, right? So I'm going to say class, I'm going to use this text green, right? So the funny thing is that
I didn't get class online.
I don't know what you did.
I used that course code.
I didn't say you should do that. That's inline style. I said you guys we are using this method, external CSS, and that's what we do. So yeah. So this is where we are. So we're almost there. So let's see how we can give this guy a width. Right? Let's give this guy a width. So let's come here.
What
What is the let's go to the style guide.
What are we giving
You will see the width. Are you seeing the width? 375 pixels. So let's come here.
desktop.
So on this section, can you see me? Are we together?
Can you see?
Let's create a class here. On this section, let's create a class. The name of the class is going to be, let's call it a container. Container. Everybody do that.
Can you zoom in?
Okay, let me zoom in. Let me know if you can see.
Oh.
Let me know if you can see.
Shift your your chair closer.
Can you see it now? Hmm? So
Mary, are you following?
this section now, we are giving it a new class name called container. So we are going to style it here. Are you seeing? We're going to style it here now. Everybody, have you created the class container?
Yes.
So we're going to style it here. We use dot container. So we want to give it a width. The width now will make it 375 pixels, right?
But that's for mobile.
Yeah, that's the width we are going to be using for all of them. If you look at it, look here, you see that It's small here. I see it. So whether it's for mobile, whether it's for desktop, the width is consistent. Can you see it? So let's try that and see. Look at the code. The code is yours.
Have you done it? Good to Has it? He has done it.
Barry, have you done it? Simi, have you done it? Hmm? I can't even hear you. Have you done it?
Yes.
Barry, you are not doing the right thing. I say, that are not following us. You are going right, you are going left, and you are doing the wrong thing. Okay, you are trying to do something. Then I leave you guys now, all your fire, all your inspiration, which will just go down. When I'm with you guys, you want to turn the whole world around. Hmm? Okay, then what is your name? Okay, you're getting it now.
Yeah?
So, when you do that, then you go to sleep. That is your friend. That is good. Have you done it? Let me see. Not just say it.
In the book of
You always know for it.
You know, I was correct, but I was just trying to do something. I can do it.
Fix it. Let me see your code. Let me see your output. See me. Correct. So let's see how we can place our items right on the what? On the center. At the center of the page. Hey, hope my face is not showing there. Please. I'm a celebrity. So let's go. Yeah, we are getting it. So let's put it at the center now and see what happens.
So please, like I said, what commanding? What's that?
So let's put it at the center and see what happens. How do we put it at the center? We're going to use, let me explain this concept. So this item, now if you look at it, is at the center, right?
Yeah.
This container. So whether it's on mobile, right, or it's on desktop, it's always what? At the center. Are we together? So we're going to use the flex, CSS flex, to make it what? At the center. Now, how do we do that?
There's no flex on our section then.
That's fine. So you let it there. Now that's flex. If you didn't check my classify, it's there. But you guys did not use to do anything. So now look at it. How do we do that? What does flex do? Now flex enables us to, center an item. Are we together? So but how does it do that? It's able to divide the screen into what? A row and what? Columns. Are we together? So such that you can move the item between the rows and the what? And the columns. So how does it do that? It has a property called flex direction. Are you with me? And it has a property called what? Flex direction. So the flex direction can either be a row or a what? Or a column. Then it also have aligning items. You can align items at the center, at the top, at the end, at the start. Are you with me? You can also justify items. So aligning items move it vertically. Are you with me? Then justifying items move it horizontally. So let's check that. So let's check how we get that done. So if you come here.
So where should we put it?
So now, if you look here, we have just the body, right? The body is the container holding what? The section, right? So if you want to flex the item, you place the code where in the body because this is the item you want to flex. Are we together? So if you want to flex this item here, you place the code where in the parent, which is the what? The section. Are we together?
Yeah.
And to flex all this item here. So we want to flex this container. So we are going to place the code in the body, right? So let's come to the body. Do we have the body here? Now, so let's.
It's in the body is in.
Do you have the body in CSS?
Blue. We don't
Okay.
have the body here.
So let's place the body above the container.
Why above the container? Why above?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Why above the container? Because we need to. The body is like the parent. Are you with me? So any style we apply the body should come first before the container because it's like the parent, right? So now let's do that and let's see what happens.
Are you all following? It's only Alex's voice I can.
So the body, if you look, I did not put dot in the body. I think
Because it's not a class.
because it's not a class. Thank you very much. So because the body is not a class, the body is an element. Are we together? Jada, are we together?
Yes.
Berry, are we together? Thank you. Timmy, are we together? So now let's see. We are going to say okay. For the body, we're going to say we're going to give it a display. Display will be what? Flex. Now we have different display. We have a display block. We have display inline. We have display flex. Are you with me? Now what is display? We might not really go into details as such, but I'll just give you a snippet, like a small reference for you to know. Display block. When we added paragraph, before we added this with, are you with me?
Yep.
The board, if you look at the paragraph, for example, remember we were learning about paragraph. If you say, if you give the paragraph a background color, what happens? The comment is going to fill up everywhere. It's going to take up everywhere. But if you give this link a background color, will it fill up everywhere? No, it will only fill up just that particular section. Are you with me? It's not going to take up everywhere. The text, right? So, but if it's a paragraph or if it's H1, what will happen? It will fill up everywhere. So, block elements are those elements that takes up the entire line. Are you together? Then, an inline element that just take up that particular line or that particular content. Are you together? So, just like span, just like your link. But flex takes over like that particular span also, and then also creates it in terms of rows and columns. So let's see what we are doing here. We are not going to use block. Are you with me? We're going to use flex. So because we want to flex the child, which is what? Container. So we say display what? Flex. Then we say align item, which is one of the attributes. We say center. I see. So it was up and down. Are you with me? So that it moves you vertically. So it is not aligned center. For example, if I tell you to move something,
It didn't change.
it didn't change. You know why? It's moving it what? Top and what? Bottom. Like it's moving between like vertical. Vertical is what? Up and down. Are we together? So why horizontal is what? Right to what? Left. Do you understand that? Now let me tell you. Let's say this is the center of. Let's say the location between this end to this end, right? We are assuming now. Jada, are you with me? We are assuming that the location between this end to this end, this is the center. Let's use here. Here is the center, right? And me now, this is where I am. Look at me. This is where I am. And you want to place me at the center. Okay, let me use this place. This is where I am. You want to place me at the center. It will be easy. How will you place the center? You move me. I will move what? Horizontally, right?
Yeah.
And I will address to the center, right? Now, let me say I'm in this place now. If you want to place me at that center, what will you do? You first move me what? Vertically, right?
Yes.
Are you with me? I will have to come vertically to this point first, right? Then what we now move here is you move your what? Horizontal to this place. Are we together?
Yeah.
So that's how you center an item. So you move it down to that position. So the aligned items, you move it what? Vertically. Then the justify will move it what? Horizontally. So we would say justify items what? Justify content, we say what? center. Are you seeing it? So with that now, this item will be at the center. It doesn't matter, even if it's small, even if it is big, it will always be at the center.
But now it needs to go down. But now it needs to go down.
It needs to go down.
Your own normal United Kingdom, your own is greener than mine.
Do you use the color there?
Yes. This one I think.
Very, are you using? Dada, so you are playing all through last week. You didn't do assignment. You played from morning till night.
She wasn't playing, she was sleeping.
Sleeping, I see.
You were
I see.
yesterday.
Alex, you too.
I was not. There was a point in time when I was going to say, okay, I'm going to spend 30 minutes and then reduce. Then when I was like, when 10 minutes was 10 minutes for the 30 minutes.
System started somewhere.
Why? When you knew you had an assignment?
I don't say that they were
When it was like 10 minutes before I wanted to leave, my mom said she broke my laptop.
Did you tell her that it's an assignment you wanted to use?
I was not doing the assignment. I said it was 10 minutes before I wanted to do it.
Why are you guys jumping here?
So they said we don't. Girl looks so bad.
Look, so what?
She looks so bad in that picture.
She's so.
She's not here
Looks
now.
so bad. She is.
See her now.
She's next to my mom.
Berry.
See her mom here. See her here. Okay, no, see this mom here.
Berry.
That's me.
That's Alex. Bear is that girl.
See Berry here now.
This Berry I'm seeing now.
She gets fat every
She
day.
looks
So bad in this way. So much is
different.
Nobody are doing it.
Even Alex too.
I don't know.
Berry gets bigger every day. I don't know what she eats.
Okay, that's fine.
This one I need.
Are we going?
Now I'm going.
She's enjoying herself. She was not
Your
this
code is not okay.
big
Then I'm
last
coming.
year.
Your code is not okay. Bro, wait. Yes, I not seen errors. Align items. Are you seeing now? You've corrected it. That shows that you're a smart boy. Now let's go to the next. Now, why is our item not at the center? There's a problem. Do you know why?
No.
Because of the height of the body. The height of the body is the curse. So now I want you to add the height. You're going to use 100 view height. 100 view height is the standard height for screens, for screen height. So we're going to use 100 view height. So go to the body, add 100 view height. Add height. Height. 100 view height. 100 VH. Just type VH.
Sorry.
100 VH.
What did you do?
Yeah, so check it now. No, together.
I don't have an element.
Hey, what you just did now? You have not been doing it. I don't know what you've been doing.
Are we putting it in the class or are
Yes,
we-
it is.
No,
You
not
just
there, not there. Remember.
Oh,
Yes,
this
yes.
the body and
body.
container.
Oh, Timmy has done his own.
Have you done it?
Timmy has done his own.
100 VH. No, small letters.
No, it's not correct.
And let them be
It's
together.
supposed to be color HSL, and now it's this.
Let me see.
My own works, my own works, my own works. My own works. My own works.
Showing that the color. So there's no problem with that. There's no problem. It's not, it's not an error.
There's no error.
There's no error. So continue with your code. So have you put the? Have you given it the width? Okay.
Why are these people not just subscribing
Okay.
and liking? Just come.
Container.
View and go.
Container. I see. So,
Yeah, just viewing and going.
yeah, continue. Continue here. Dot container. Continue, continue.
I want to see the center.
We are in the body now. So, you have not added it? Your own is not at the center yet. Yeah, go ahead now.
Yes, because
Continue.
when you're writing it, you're zooming out or whatever. Do I know what you're doing when you're writing it?
I said the 100 village.
I don't know
100
what I mean.
village. Together, then close it. Don't forget to close that. So if not, you run into errors. So now what is the essence of the pH there? You know we've done pixels. Pixels they are just unit of measurement. px unit of centimeter unit of measurement. Who can tell another unit of measurement? Who can tell meters? Thank you. Kilometers. Thank you.
Astronomical
Okay.
units.
View height is also unit of measurement. Are you with me? So view height is basically for the screen. Are we together? Take note of that. Pixels can span to any length, but view height is basically for the height of the screen. So the error, you can face error when an item, you don't always use view height. Are you with me? You don't always use what? View height. You also have view width. Are we together? View width is for the what? The width of the screen. Now it seems that you don't always use view height. Do you know why? Do you know I don't always because if you have a design that that exceeds the screen size, it's going to cut it. Are we together? For example, like the website you saw at first, their website MISPH means PH. So if that site, you see that site, if you're scrolling down, what happens? You're going to see other things, right? Now, if they can view 100 view height for the site, do you know what happens? It will just cut it, like it's going to be just the screen size, so you cannot scroll down. So why are we using 100 view height here? I want you to understand that. We are using 100 view height because we are not going to exceed the screen height.
We're not going to want to scroll down.
Yeah. Do you get?
Yes.
Like if you go to Gmail, you see that you cannot scroll down. It's always that login is just fixed. Are you with me? You can't scroll down. So for design that you cannot scroll down, what happens? You use what? The standard screen size. Are we together? But for all these scrolling designs, don't put height. The height is usually auto by default. The height is what? Usually auto. For example, now this our container here now, right? If we put 100 view, it will just going to span and take up the space. Are you seeing it? So you can always give height to items, but you should know why you're giving the height. Do you see how I explained the why? So that you don't just keep using view height, no, have it together. So let's continue. If you look now, we're not giving height to this guy because we want everything to grow naturally. Everything should grow as we are adding height space, it should be growing. But if you put height, that's the fixed it can go, that's the highest it can go. It can't exceed that height. So if you to exceed the height, I'm coming. The items will begin to flow beyond the height. So let's go ahead. So what's your question?
If you can please pull up the example page for us, can you pull it up?
Example how?
Like the thing was supposed to be getting.
Get
This
it.
thing, like what was making it into, can you pull it up?
Okay, yeah. I'm going. So you have it now in your system now. It's in the design.
I don't want to look for it because you have it.
Yeah, so if you look
So
now.
how are we supposed to make it curvy? Like
Yeah, that's where we are going.
edges are curvy.
We are going there. So we want to curve this guy. So what I'm going to use, we're going to use what they call border radius. Remember we talked about border last week?
In CS, we'll put it in CSS.
Yes, in CSS this time. So we're going to use border radius, right? In the container, because remember that is the what? The container.
Yes, what?
So we're going to say border radius. Not border. Border is different from border radius. So border radius is going to be, let's say, 5 pixels. So the higher the, I'm coming.
Should we make it like 500? It's curving it.
My code is breaking.
It's curving a little bit.
I'm coming, my code is breaking. Why is it breaking?
It was curving. You know, it's curving a lot. I mean it.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, border radius, I've not added this guy here. Height, 100 view height. So look at it now. It's coming a little, right? So you can increase it as you want. If you want, let's say 10.
If you increase it too much, then it goes out and then the sex.
Are you seeing it? We can add 10. So it's just based on what you have here. So let's use rem. Let me use one rem. Rem is also a unit of measurement.
But is it bigger?
One rem is equal to 16 pixels. So 1 rem is equal to what? 16 pixels. So it's not, no, I'm just trying to explain something. 1 rem is equal to what? 16 pixels. Like 1 rem is equal to, so 2 rem is equal to how many pixels?
32.
32. Are we together? So 0.5 rem will give you what?
8.
8.
I'm good.
Now, that's half of the rem. Are you together? So instead of you to say, what happens is that rem helps you to, are you see? It helps you to shorten the number of pixels. For example, if you want to say, calm down. If you want to say 160 pixels, instead of you to say 160 pixels, you can want to bring it down to rem. Are you with me? You will now say what? 10 rem.
Yes.
Are we together? So now, let's say I make here 0.5 pixels, 0.5 rem. If you come here, so you can see that we are correct. Let's check if that's what we have here. Are you seeing 0.5 rem? So
Is that what it is?
yeah.
So it's 8 pixels.
So you can use 8 pixels,
Are you serious?
or you can use 0.5 rem. But I like using rem sharp.
I don't like rem. Rem is bad.
Let me use 1 rem and see if it's closer. I think 1 rem is okay.
I'm using the 8 pixels.
So now, let's see this guy. Now, we want to add a space around it. Remember what we said last time?
Something
We did it, okay.
The writing is.
Are you seeing like the edge where there is the picture?
Yes.
The picture. Are you seeing like the edge where there has
It's sharp also,
yes,
right?
Sharp.
Yeah, we are going to. So what are we going to use? What are we going to do to make it curved?
I think we're going to bring the picture into the middle. And I think if you do that, then the edge will start falling.
No,
Like to
really.
the edge.
So what are we going to do to make the picture round?
Like we go.
Oh, we give it I forgot what it's called. We give it border radius.
Border radius.
I forgot what it was called.
Use border radius, but this time you're going to increase the what? The size. Like instead of if you use 1 pixel, it will be the curve will swing. So we're going to use a very large pixel so that it's
But we need to make a new what do you call that thing? A new class.
yeah, something like that. So but let's continue. Now we need to this guy. Are you with me? Look at this guy.
Yeah.
We need to do something. We need to give it an equal. We need to give them equal spaces. Like remember. Okay, let me ask a question. I'll call names so that we don't answer randomly. I will start with Beryl. Beryl, last week we talked about something like you want to add a space inside a container. What are you going to do? What CSS code will you use to add a space inside? Beryl is thinking. Okay, Jada, I know 2 of you are partners. So you want to add a space inside a container. So what will you use? Padding. Thank you. So you use what? Padding to do that, right? So now we want to add a space inside this container. We're going to use what? Padding. So I'll give it a padding of 1 rem. So when I give it a padding of 1 rem, it's going to share it amongst them. 1 rem, 1 rem, 1 rem, 1 rem, 1 rem. I see it. Top, right, bottom, left. So let's check if that's what we have here.
No,
oh,
that's not it.
the rem is
It's like 2 or
like 2 rem or so, right? So
Mhm.
let's check 2 rem and see.
I'm making my own 32 pixels. I hate rem. When is my daughter then?
Okay, yeah. Steps is right.
Yeah, I think it's like that.
So we are this image is very big. So but before that,
We need to make it smaller.
we need to make the image small.
I think I know how to make it smaller.
Are we together? Now, pay attention, let me explain the concept to you. Listen. Hey. Now, if you look here, the space here, they are all equal. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
That is why we use the same pattern, which is 2 rem for each of them, right?
Yes, sir.
So now pay attention to this guy. The space here, are you seeing it?
Mm-hmm.
The space here, they are equal.
Mm-hmm.
Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
The space here, they are all what? Equal. So we want to see how we can do such kind of thing. So if the space here and the space here, they are equal, it means that these two items, the space here, are you with me? The space here, look at, I'm explaining the concept. The space here, and the space here, they are what? Equal. What does it mean? It means that these two items, they are grouped together. Are we together? Right? This item, this group, and this whole group, they are all grouped differently. What does it mean? It means that this item is one. Inside this container, we have one item. We have these two together grouped as what? One item. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
We also have this one as the third item. Do you know what I'm saying?
People still want to break that thing again.
Hey, that's what we want to implement now. Then we now have this one as another group of items together again. Are we together? So we have how many items inside the container? We have one, two, three, and what? Four.
Four
Are we
groups
good?
inside.
So they are not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. So we are going to be grouping each of them now. So what are we going to use?
Section.
Thank you. We can use section. We can use what? Team. We can use what? No.
I forgot the
We can use what?
I
We
don't
can use
know
what?
that one. I forgot the other one.
We can use div. We can use article. We can use aside. That's the HTML work. So let's use div. So we're going to group this guy. We're going to group the image is one, right? So this Jessica and this London, we are grouping them inside a div.
Sorry, sir.
So we're going to group these two inside a div. We're going to say div. Are you with me? I will take this closing tag and I will add it after this.
So we're not doing div for the picture.
No, this picture is, remember now, picture is one, right? Then the two texts, we are grouping them inside a div as one. Are we together?
Okay.
Which is not, so then we are also going to group all the buttons as what? One. So let's come to this front end developer, that one is not grouped, it's on its own. So we're going to group these links inside the what? A div. Are we together? We use div. So I'm going to take the closing to the end of this guy. So ensure you do it correctly, so you don't get error. So we are done with this. So let me come here. Nothing is going to change actually, but we have already grouped them. So how do we group them? This is one. Are we together? This text, these two texts here, they are two, right? This front-end developer is 3, right?
Yeah.
Then these links, they are what? 4. So we have 4 items inside the container.
So I'm still dividing it. Hold on.
So you guys should go ahead and try so we can proceed.
Alright.
Let me add space so that you guys can see, right? So this is one, let me use space to divide it.
So this is so.
Or let me use comment. I don't know, which one will work for you better? So this
Space is easier.
Yeah.
I'm so annoyed by all of this. This is just.
Let me make the code cleaner. Now everybody press Shift Alternate F. What do you see? Shift Alternate F.
I'm going to put it.
Yes, put it at the end of
It
it.
shows configure default format.
Yeah, put your cursor here.
So I should configure default format.
Click configure. Select prettier.
Configure.
Is it shift control F?
Select prettier. So I've
Shift
clicked
control F.
Close it.
No, shift.
Try it. Okay, it has worked. Shift control. Nice.
Shift control. I use control alt F. I don't know. Is it shift control F?
Shift Alternate
Oh, okay. So it's
F. Tell you to configure. No, you're not doing anything. Click on click it. Bring it to Shift Alternate F. Good. Configure.
Sam.
Select prettier.
I think something bad happened.
You will see that your code will look nice. Just which are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? That arrange your code for you. That's like
How did it do anything? I don't know.
Shift Alternate F.
No, my prettier is.
Don't worry. Shift Alternate F.
That's why I did shift alt F. Okay, so it's not working now. So it's just not working now. Because I already done it.
Ignore them.
I know my prettier. Okay, now my prettier is gone.
Do it for your HTML. Shift Alternate F.
Shift alt F. And now this thing has gone back to doing this.
Okay. So it's working. That's what it means. In progress, formatted, completed. Okay. You have you done the division? Div. Okay. Div. Correct.
I spaced them, like you said.
This is not how I see the spaces.
No!
I'm coming.
You're destroying my code.
Yeah. It needs to be destroyed. So this is not a simple space. I space it so you can see the difference. Are you seeing it? So you can see. So this guy, look at how you space this guy too.
No, it shouldn't extend out.
So you cannot understand it like this. So let's come to make your code clean. You can even okay. I'm doing the wrong thing. Doing this guy. I just want your code to be neat so you can understand it. Are you seeing the picture? So that's fine. So now can we proceed now?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So the next thing we are going to do now is, who is that now? Jada, you're sleeping. Jada, why are you sleeping? You're not sleeping. Oh yeah, let's go. So we are almost there, right? So what are we going to do now? We're going to flex all of them. We're going to say, okay, this guy, are we together? We're going to flex them and see how it goes. So before we do that, let's start with this image. Are we together? Hello, we have just one image, right? So do we need to create a class? No, let's just use the image selector. So let's come here. Use ing. Ing is for image. So first of all, we need to make the image small, right? Our image is very big.
Hold up.
Okay.
There's something wrong. There's something wrong with my code. I don't know where it is.
What's the problem?
There's a space here now all of a sudden. I'm seeing the slash, but I'm looking for the slash.
Where is the slash?
I don't know. That's what I'm looking for.
That's in this guy here. So let's check. Look at it here. So let's go. Image. Now, add a width and a height. Now, if you want to make an image circular, everything you want to curve an image like perfect circle, the height and the width must be the same. It must be a square. Are you with me? If it's a rectangle, you can't get a perfect shape. Do you get the principle?
Yes, sir.
If it's a rectangle, like for example, if any part of it is a bit longer, if you try to curve it, it's not going to be a perfect circle. One side will be to be like an oval. Are you with me? So you must try your best to make it what? Perfect. So that's why these guys, I know that after this now, you can go and put your own picture. You can put your picture here like this. Ensure that the picture you're going to put, you come to your code, make it what? A square. But even if you don't make it a square, there's still a way we can still make it fit in. Are you with me? We use object fit and other stuff. So let's go here. Yeah. So we're going to make this the height of the image. Or let's start with width, right? Width is always width.
Why?
Width is always width. So let's say the width of the image, we're going to give it, let's say 24 pixels. So the height is going to be what? 24 pixels, right?
Yes.
So let's see if it's small.
That now I'm increasing it to 12 pixels.
You're increasing to 12 pixels.
Yeah.
From 24 to 12, is that an increase?
Decrease.
Oh.
So let's see if we can use something like, let's use, I want to use rem. Let me use 2 rem. 2 rem each.
That is 16. That's not much of an increase.
2 rem, no, 2 rem, that's 32 pixels.
Oh.
It's still small though.
I'm using 48 pixels.
Let me use 5 rem.
Okay.
5 rem is 90. This is okay, but it's still too small. Let me make it 6 rem.
Yeah, one is incredibly small. One is incredibly small.
Is this okay?
No.
They'll just be like referencing to the picture.
Let me check this guy.
Oh, his own is not like very small actually.
I don't see the
Yeah, I think this 6 rem is okay. 6 rem is
It's not-
okay.
It's not exact. I'm going with 56.
So we use border radius. Use 100%. I'll tell you why.
I'm going with 56 pixels.
Border radius. We're going to use what? 100%.
Yes, so that will cover it all the way.
Perfectly, yeah. Yeah, using 100 pixels and 10 pixels. Why are you not using RAM? So it will be faster for you. Use RAM. The
Wait.
code. Oh,
Sir, can you reference me? Can you give me the reference? The reference. I need the reference.
for
For the thing was making it. I need the reference.
which
I need the
reference?
reference. The reference. The design.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
no
design.
design. There's no thing. I need the reference.
So I use 6 RAM. So 6 RAM, that is 6 times 16. What would I give you?
I am using
126 or so.
no, I'm going to use 76.
76 RAM.
75. No, not 70.
It's
I
still-
told you RAM is
it's
my
going to be
mortal
still-
enemy. I'm never going to use him.
Okay. You're using 100 pixels. Okay, that's fine.
My own is not even changing.
Why is it not changing?
I don't know.
Everybody's own is changing.
It's so nice.
Let's see. Let me see your phone.
Mary, let me see.
I went from 56 to 75 on it, like almost.
It's almost the same thing.
Um,
Use 100% for the border radius.
Oh, I was editing the border radius instead of the
Use-
circle.
Use 100%.
And I was thinking that the thing was not even moving at all.
Yeah, so use 100%. Do you know how you use 100%? That you're feeling cool.
Richard, I don't know. Let's see.
Are you feeling cool? Let's come up here.
There's no.
Okay. Now let's see.
Is that not your bag?
That's my bad.
No, that's not Richard's bag.
So let's see. Now, do you know how to use 100%? If you're using pixels, you might not really get it. Like, for example, if you use, let's say if you use 1 pixel or let's say 5 pixels, it's going to curve a little. So how many pixels will you now use to get a perfect square? It might take you time. You say 100, 1000. So just use 100%. If you use 50%, it's going to reduce it. So we're still going to be using percent as we proceed, right?
Yes.
Percent is also a unit of measurement. Are you aware of that?
Yes. It's,
Eh?
no, it is not.
It is.
It's a unit of
Measurement.
randomization.
Correct.
It's a unit of
You need to say
randomization.
you're correct. But now we're going to use percentage as we proceed. I will explain. Now, 100%. Are you with me? 100% is perfect. Like, you know, when somebody say that 100%, what does it mean? That means perfect, it's complete. Not just good, like it's perfect. Are you with me? Now, when you pour, remember we are using the word container. When you pour water inside the container, what happens? It's going to fill in that what? That container, 100%. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
We're using it as we proceed. So just note that. Now let's continue. We have been able to achieve this guy, the image. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
And if you come to our code here, you can see, right? But the image is not at the center. And all these texts, they are not at the center. Look at this guy. Look at this. Everything here is at the center. So we'll still do the same thing we did before, which is what? Reflex. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So let's use the flex again. Now, since I want to ask a question, everybody, I'll ask everybody. So if I ask this question, don't answer randomly. I'm going to point your question and then you answer. Now, remember we used flex here in the body to get this guy at the center. Right? Now, so for us to get all these items at the center, we are going to place the flex. Don't answer. Our point. Team, listen. During the time when we are using this body, we place the flex at the body, right? For us to get this guy, this is the child. So now we want to this container now, all these texts, all these items here, they are the children of what? They are the children of which person?
That color. This color.
Yes.
Exactly.
Or what?
I don't know.
I explained it. I want you to understand what I'm explaining. I said, for us to put this guy at the center here, right? We have to use the flex in the body because this guy is the child. This container is the child of this body, right? Right? Do you understand that? Good. Now, when we place the flex in the body, it was able to now apply the settings or apply it to this container, so it's not at the center. Do you understand that? Good. So now, we want to make this place the flex. We want to make all this guy now, these items, these elements, all to be at the center, right? So we are going to place the flex.
I'm going to place the flex like in the child of the other side.
So come and explain it. Use.
And place the flex like inside it. So
Thank you. Yeah, we're going to place in this section, the container. Thank you. Do you understand that? Do you get that? Yeah, so we're going to place the flex in this container. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
So let's try that and see.
In this section.
So we'll go to the container, right? This container guy here. We're going to say display what? Display what?
Display flex.
Thank you. So we're going to say display flex. Then we're going to say justify. Remember, justify is to align with what? Left and what? Right. Display justify center. Then we're going to say align items. If we use, I want us to break something. So you guys are going to see something. Let's break something. Yeah. So here is it. Is it supposed to be like this?
Oh, hell.
So what's the error? What's the mistake you're making? Why is it like this?
I don't know.
You actually don't know. So do it like.
Wait, I didn't even
let
see
me
all
show
of
you
the
the
code
code.
you were writing.
Let me show you the code. So let's make this mistake and let's see why it's like that.
Let's delete.
I want you to tell me what you're going to delete to make it correct.
Let's delete justify. Wait.
Okay,
justify is what one again? Justify is
When you do
justify
it,
vertical
you know the error.
or horizontal. Which one is it?
Everyone is doing it. When you do it,
Ah,
you get
which
the
one
error.
is it? Okay, delete justify. I don't know which one it is.
You don't need to guess. You will know it. I want everyone to make the same error. So we're going to settle it today so that we know why we are using what and why we are not using the other one. So make the same mistake and let's see. Always, once you type it, it will come up, then hit enter. So you'll be fast. Hit enter. You don't need to type it complete. Just hit enter once it comes up. Yeah, so check your code.
Okay, now
If
it's
you justify it, it's
Good. So calm down. Let me ask now. Since you are all making this mistake. So what are we going to remove from our code? What is throwing that error for us such that this guy, we want to centralize it, but we want to centralize it vertically, not horizontally. You understand? So everything is at the center. Just let me say, just a box. Are you with me? It's not like a text. That is why we can put it at the center and you can't feel anything. But now, this guy this guy, they are just text. Are you with me? So if you put it at the center, they are going to squash themselves to be at the center. So now, I'm asking you now, based on your understanding on justify concepts and align items. So among the two of those characteristics, what are we supposed to remove to get this guy? What are we going to remove to get this guy to be just at the center, not to squash himself like this? Jada, can you tell me?
what if I go individually to each group and like
Each group. Why will you go to each group? I've already given you a scope.
I know, I think
I said the issue we are having here is justify and align items. Are you with me? That is the problem. So I'm not saying
I
okay.
deleted them on the flex that was there, still with them state.
Thank you. I like that. Now, I want us to actually experience this error because this is something that you will experience as you keep building your future. But so we need to understand why is that happening.
We can keep both of them, but we need to remove one of them from set.
We need to remove one of them. That's true. But we need to know.
I said you don't need to remove them, but we need to remove the center and make the center something else. That's it.
You're
If
getting.
not, we remove the center, we remove the flex.
No, we are not removing the flex.
We are not removing the flex. The flex is good.
Let me tell you something. Hello. Let me explain something. What does it mean to flex an item? Once you want to flex an item, that item is going to be what? In a rows by default. Are you together? By default. Are you with me? By default, it's going to be what? In a row. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together? So the moment you flex an item, by default, is going to be what? In a row. What does it do? This tells you that this column 1. Are you with me? They are all in what? In a single row. Hello,
Yes.
Jada. You're not paying attention. This what? They are all in a single row. Are you with me? By default, the direction is row. This is what? Row 1 is just one row. So how many columns do we have? 1, 2, based on how we grouped it. 3 and what? 4.
I think I might have an idea.
So, what we are supposed to do to make it, we are going to convert it to what? A column. So instead of a single row, it's going to be what? A single what? Column with different what? Rows.
I wanted to say
So we're going to use a feature called flex direction.
Sir, I want to ask you something. We would have making the section bigger, the section where we're holding all of this, we would have making it bigger, would it have worked?
Flex item makes things to what? To be in a row. Flex by default. That's why she said that when she removed everything and then she left only flex, what happened? It was still in a row. Are we together? Flex by default, the direction always turns things to be what? In a row. Let me show you this thing. Look at this guy. Are you seeing this guy? Are you seeing this guy?
Yes.
By default, they are what? They are flexed. But when you now make this flex direction column, what happens? They are going to be what? In a column. So let's use this feature called what? Let's remove out these two guys. Let's remove them. Let's leave only flex. If you leave only flex, what can you see? It's still the same thing. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
It's still in a row. So flex by default is in a row. Let's check. So use what? Flex direction. Right? Column. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the difference now?
Yes.
It's not in a column.
So you knew that we would never have come up with that.
No, I want you guys to really think.
You just knew.
So now let's go ahead. So we want to make it at the center. We want to center it vertical, horizontally. So we are going to use what? Flex and justify content, right? Center. So the moment you do that, okay, let's use align. Since it's in a column.
Align item.
Align item center. Since it's a column, so correct.
So wait.
Correct.
Is this what we wanted to do? This whole
That's
time. That's crazy. This and it still looks ugly.
Hmm?
It still looks ugly.
Yeah, we are getting there. Are we together? So you see, our work is almost done. So, but now the next we need to attack, the next line of action is the text. Our text is making our work look ugly, isn't it?
It's fine.
Our text is making our work look ugly. Look at the text they use. Very nice text.
It's quite ugly.
Hmm?
Their own text is ugly. Our text is fine.
Um,
They want text.
So, but look at it. Let's achieve the spacing. The spacing here, are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Is equal to, remember we broke them because of that spacing. That's why we grouped them. So we are going to use an attribute of flex called what? Gap. Let's give it a gap
Okay, this
of
container is getting to be.
1 rem. Let's give the gap of 1 rem. Are you seeing? So you can see that the space here is equal to the space here, is equal to the space here.
16 pixels. That's simple. Yeah.
Are we together?
Mm-hmm.
So we are almost there. So the next thing we need to do is to look at the font. The fonts, right?
The buttons. We're supposed to look at the buttons. Buttons are on.
The font. Let's look at the font. So we'll just settle the font and then we'll go to the buttons, right? So let's go to the font and see why is our font not behaving well. So let's look at the font. Go to the style guide. How do we get font? This font they use, how do we get it? They gave us an example of the font, right?
Yeah.
Go to the style guide, you see,
Mm-hmm.
click on the style guide.
Mm-hmm. And this.
Go down, you see typography.
That HTTP.
Are you seeing it? Now, that they use what? Google font. They use what? So Google have like thousands or billions of fonts. So you don't need to stress yourself about getting fonts. Are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
So if you come here now, if you come to your body, and then you say font family, let's use this Korea font. I see it has changed the type of name of the font. So you can always use any font. Now you see these fonts, pay attention. You see these fonts that are that they are inside the word quotation marks. Those fonts are imported fonts. They are what?
Imported fonts.
Because they are not part of our code. Our code does not understand those fonts. So you have to use the quotation mark to make it understand. But you see these fonts that are not in quotation mark, they are what? They are inbuilt. They are what? Inbuilt. And we call them base fonts. We call them what?
Base fonts.
What do we call them? This type of font is called what? Bell, are you with us? I noticed something. So this kind of font is called what? Timmy, tell her.
Base fonts.
They are called base fonts. Why are they called base fonts? Because they are inbuilt fonts, and they are. You can also call them fallback fonts. Why? Now, when you see these fonts here, when you load them on your website, when you load them on your website, and the system is loading, it might take time, and that server may not have that font or may not understand that font. So, for example, now, if you now use only this Korean, are you with me, as your only font, and let me say the server does not have it, that you see that your website does not have any text because it does not have the font. So this is like a backup font, such that if peradventure the server does not have that font, what will happen? It should fall back to the what? The base font. Are we together? Do you understand it now? it should fall back to the what? The base. So you must always use your fallback font, your base font, so that in case there is a damage or there is a disruption or there is that font does not exist in that server or on that system, what should happen? It should always fall back to what? The base font. Are we together? Jada, are we together? So there are other fine fonts here. I don't know, you can even use comic fonts. Let me say I use comic. Let me look for comic and say font family. Oh, our comic font is not here. So there are many of them, so you can use any of them. So let me just look for that. So remember, you must use your base font. Are you with me? Yeah. We have sans. The one that we use most is sans, and sans serif and serif. So those ones are just normal base fonts. Monospace, they are normal what? Base fonts. Are you seeing it? So now we want to use our imported font. Are we together? We want to use our imported font. This guy here. So what you will do, you can copy this link. Are you seeing it? Copy the link, or you can click on it. But if you are clicking on it, if you look at it, it's not working. So what you have to do to click on it, press your what? Control key. Press Control key and click on it. It becomes clickable. But without your Control key, it's not clickable. So hold your Control and click on it. It's going to open. Ma, you're dancing.
I'm tired though. Let me dance. She's asking when are people going on break?
Who is person?
It was Jenny. She was asking, are people going on break?
Who is that?
It was Jenny. She's asking.
Okay, she's around.
And she's around. She said, are people going on break?
Yeah, we'll go on break.
And when?
Bro, click all.
Let's finish up. So we have.
Wait, so I presume
I'm coming. Let me. Ouch. So have you guys clicked on it? Have you guys clicked on it? Just press Control and click on it. It will open.